guys, Nick here with YachtMoney. Just wanted to talk about this Facebook drop. We talked on earlier in the week, a bunch of people were doubling down up here and talking about how it was going to they were doubling down up here at the top where we saw a lot of selling pressure, and they were anticipating it going up past 190, so they all bought a shitload of 190 calls expiring at the end of the week, and now they're fucked. So down we went right here. Of course it just came right back into this fairly large volume point of control here. So I mean, that's pretty straightforward as far as, just playing the outside edges, buying these dips. This is a nice dip to buy though. Great run for going into earnings. I mean, even if we just get back to this spot right here, I mean, that's a 10-point move probably in like 2 weeks. So, it looks like it's kind of building a base here. If anybody caught that 177 mark, that would have been awesome. That would have been a great trade. So, I mean, let's see if we have any more follow through. But I think the panic selling's over, and this is a great buying opportunity. Even if you just wrote it back up to 185. If you wanted to go with like low risk, well, just low capital outlay and play like a 185, 190 spread, you could do that. I think they're fairly cheap. I think they're going for like $1 right now. I would wait and try to pick them up for 70 cents. Otherwise, I just buy deep in the money, but the premium on these things is still pretty jacked. I think there's like a $4 premium at the money for a couple weeks out. Anyway, I mean, this just kind of goes to, I wanted to talk a little bit about just the emotional side of the trading. And, basically if you're on StockTwits, you can't even listen to what half the fuckers are saying on there, because they're buying up here and they're selling down here, and they're basically playing the opposite of the market. So if you get caught up into anything that they're saying on the boards, you're basically trading against the market or against what the big boys are doing. So, this is a super safe play. I mean, no play is completely safe, but this is a great point. So RSI has been crushed. I'd definitely pick this up. So patience pays. Patience, there's always opportunities if we wait. So, I was feeling a little down that I wasn't as aggressive and caught this on this initial run, but I mean, the market always gives you more opportunities. So anyway, I hope everybody has a good Friday, and we'll keep dishing out some of this content. Hopefully it's helpful. Shout out to us on Twitter if you have any questions. More than happy to answer any complex options questions, or if you want to bounce off any strategies with us, feel free to just hit us up on Twitter. YachtMoney on Twitter. Have a good weekend, guys.